Hello, this video shows how you can import devices using BMC network automation.
On all networks, plenty of different devices coexist, but rarely there is a global tool in companies to manage all the devices. So network teams with different skills have to use different solutions to manage the whole network. This increases the cost of management of network and can be cause of degradation of services. We are going to see how to onboard devices with BMC network automation. Without BNA, an administrator has to know how to access the devices and has to connect manually each device to see its configuration and to integrate it in a management database. We are going to see how to integrate management accounts in BNA and onboard devices in its management database. Let's have a look on it now. We are now in the BMC Network Automation console, and we are going to import a device in it. Just before trying to import a device, we are going to set up the account that will be used by the solution to access to it. So we just click on Add a new account and sets the username, login and password to access. We can integrate many accounts in the solution, and BMC Network Automation will try each of these accounts to access a new device. To integrate a device, there's two ways. There's the device import module, and this device import module will work with Cisco Works, with Ipswitch, with Triumph CMDB to import massive amount of different devices. But we can go on network device agents, and we can integrate a new device manually. In order to do that, we just have to specify a name, a device type, and an IP address or host name to access to it. After doing that, the system will use the account database to try to find an account that matches the login and password of the device. When clicking on Save, the system will try automatically to access the device, and the first job he will run on it is a snapshot job. We are going to do it manually just to illustrate what is doing the system to access the device. So here is a snapshot job. We just have to save and submit it. And after a few seconds, we should have a succeeded status. And we can see that when we have this status, an inventory has been performed on the device, and we have also a backup of its configuration. Here it is. Now the device is ready to use with the solution, and policies are automatically applied on it. BMC Network Automation integrates an account database to quickly access and integrate the devices with an automatic backup and inventory of their configuration. It applies also policies to the different devices. The administrator is having a real view of the configuration of the network, and with the role-based access control feature integrated, he can delegate actions to low-level administrators. This decreases the cost of management of the network and participates to elevating the quality and speed of changes.